In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Pipedrive. This is a straightforward process that ensures your Pipedrive interface is tailored to your preferred language, making it easier to navigate and manage your tasks efficiently. Whether you're new to Pipedrive or a seasoned user looking to make this adjustment, I'll guide you through each step. First things first, let's begin on the Pipedrive homepage. As you start, make sure you have access to the internet and are logged into your Pipedrive account. Once you're on the homepage, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice your profile icon situated there. This icon is your gateway to personalizing various settings in your Pipedrive account, including the language option we're focusing on today. Go ahead and click on your profile icon. This action will reveal a drop-down menu that presents several options. Among these options, you'll find Personal Preferences. Click on this section to progress further into the settings. In the Personal Preferences section, you'll see various customization options available to enhance your Pipedrive experience. Look for the Language section. This is where the actual adjustment takes place. You'll notice a drop-down menu specifically for selecting a language. Click on this drop-down to explore the multitude of language options that Pipedrive offers. Now carefully scroll through the list of languages presented to you. You might come across a vast array of languages ranging from English, Spanish, French, and many others, depending on your needs or preferences. When you've found the language that suits you best, simply click on it. Once selected, this language will become your default interface language in Pipedrive, which means all the menu options and interface elements will be displayed in this language. After selecting your desired language, the final step is to save your changes. You might notice a Save button either at the bottom or the top right of the page, depending on your browser's configuration or the device you're using. This step is crucial because simply selecting a language doesn't finalize the change. So click on the Save button to confirm your choice. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Pipedrive account to display in your chosen language. Now you can enjoy a more tailored and accessible user experience in Pipedrive. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or explore Pipedrive's help resources for more information. Thank you for tuning into this guide, and I hope it enhances how you utilize Pipedrive daily.